Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm back here at Hannalei Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Stingrays in the Vista Unified School District. Just got to share my heart again on a brand new topic, hot off the press, which is compassion, the sub-theme being one life at a time. And I've been here multiple times over the last few school years, getting to speak to the different grade levels, part of the AM, PM, after school community, students and staff. And today was, again, grades K through 5. And there was just a lot of emotion that was evoked, definitely. We're talking about compassion. That means having a heart for others, that if they're struggling, if they need help, that part of us, that heart chord that gets struck, that kind of tugs us a little bit to want to, go and support our fellow human being. That's compassion in a nutshell, right? That we are choosing that kindness, choosing that love, and having that kind of underlying empathy as well, as it relates to our fellow classmates, our peers, our teachers, etc., and the list goes on. And we talked about, we brainstormed, some of the things that could be clouding our hearts, not letting us be fully in or fully compassionate. So that was really healing, for some of the students. I had a lot of feedback during the assembly and post-program, just people that, have had some type of loss, whether it was a pet, a person in their life, if they, had some type of surgery. It was very difficult if they've been bullied or are currently getting bullied. If they had to move from somewhere else here in this state of California, or a different state or a different country even. And I start to kind of see, that there's some things that are stressing them, right? There's things that can stress any of us out for sure. And that was kind of like with the backpack meditation, getting us to relax, take a breath, and try to leave our worries, our fears, our concerns, outside, and know that we can just deal with what we're able to deal with at the current moment. And the last student said, this really helped me. I've had some issues at home, what you were able to do for me today is, put me in this moment where I can kind of, have this technique and this method to deal with some of that external pressure. Right. And so I said, just remember those moments, right? Remember those stories, remember the videos that we played all around this topic, because at the end of the day, when you can kind of come back to that, when you do face challenges, because all of us will, right? That we can still approach that out of a space of love, right? Out of a space of compassion. And so again, it was kind of like more just putting ourselves in other people's shoes, that the ones that are hurting are probably the ones that need the love the most, but we still have this choice, no matter what we're going to go through or have gone through, or are currently going through, we can either be that builder or we can be the wrecker, right? We can either see people like this, see ourselves as that, and we talk about in all my assemblies that we're all true miracles with the lines on our hand, that M, I traced that, right? That M stands for miracle at the front of my shirt. And, to know that there's two ways to view life, like Albert Einstein talked about, right? One is though nothing's a miracle, one is though everything's a miracle. Right? And it's up to us to pass that on if we choose to. And that could be with a physical gesture, a verbal gesture, a verbal, saying, statement, something that can uplift others. And when we do that, that helps heal our heart, right? Not only the person that we're doing it towards, but ours as well. And the students really did take that home, take it to heart. So very, very encouraged, motivated even more than when I first walked the door again here. And I just want to see this, growing. I have 2 more visits this school year, 1st to 3 today, and hopefully something did sink in, and we'll keep seeing that that spark continue to grow here at Hannalei. So things touch my heart. Great to see you all again. Have a great school year up until I come back, and obviously when you finish strong too in the springtime. But again, as always, feel free to also hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.